All right, Pawan Kalyan's big battle in Pittapuram is going to be a decisive factor, not just for Neta Pawan Kalyan, who's fighting these elections in alliance with TDP and BJP and has been instrumental in bringing TDP and BJP on board, but it's also going to decide his political future. Alright, so Pawan Kalyan, as I was telling you about, is gearing up for his maiden elections in Pittapuram, but he had unsuccessfully contested in 2019 from Gajuwaka and Bhimavaram. But now Pawan Kalyan seems determined about his victory, and so are his industry colleagues. After Chiranjeevi, his elder brother, blessing him with 5 crore cash and also a video message, now you have superstar Allu Arjun, stylish star as he's called, wishing Pawan Kalyan for his victory, and the entire industry in fact has expressed its solidarity with Pawan Kalyan for him, as it is a do or die battle as far as political future is concerned. Remember, Pawan Kalyan, as I mentioned, has been delivering, belting out one blockbuster after the other. But as far as his electoral success is concerned, a lot is riding as far as the Janasena party chief is concerned. 2019, he ran unsuccessfully from 2 constituencies. This time around, from Pittapuram, he is extremely confident of winning. In fact, Pawan Kalyan is also instrumental for the alliance to consolidate the Kapu voters. But while that is all the update that we've got you from the state of Andhra Pradesh, let's not forget